Hi, I'm Jess from Decoist, and today I'm going to show you how to make DIY rustic fall crates. I made my cuts using a Ryobi miter saw and have roughly sanded my wood pieces with an 80 grit sandpaper. I'm going to start by taking one of my 10-inch wood pieces and putting it towards the corner of my jig frame. In case you didn't know, a jig frame is just two pieces of wood connected together to make a 90-degree angle. This will make the whole building process much easier. To space your slats out evenly, you're going to want to use a scrap piece of wood. You're going to slide this next to the first piece of wood and add another 10-inch piece of wood, followed by another spacer, and then you can slide in your final 10-inch piece. This ensures all of your lines are even. Now we're going to take our 9 1/4 wood pieces and slide one against the corner. This is our side brace. Now we need to nail them into place. I'm going to insert 2 nails into each slat. Now you've made yourself a little pallet. Repeat this same process for the other side piece. Now it's time to attach our 24-inch long boards to the connecting wood pieces. We're gonna take our 24-inch wood boards, match it up with the wood piece, and insert a brad nail on both sides. The next step is to flip the piece. Using your arm, hold the bottom and attach your other side in place. And now you have a bottomless crate. Let's make the base. I've gone ahead and sanded my board down with an 80 grit sandpaper. My next step is to add a polyurethane on the side that I'm going to paint. After that, I'm going to stain the bottom. I painted the board a nice burgundy. Now I'm going to show you how to do a really cool scratch painting technique. And what we're gonna do is just scrape away some of this hard surface paint and allow the raw wood colors to appear through this burgundy. Using a 60 grit sandpaper, you wanna fold it down as small as you can so that it fits your 4 fingers like this. Next, doing a back and forth motion with the grain, we're going to scratch pretty hard on the top of this surface. Okay, so that looks about good to me. As you can see, I've got some nice natural wood coming through the reds. And now it's time to wipe this down and give it a nice clear finish. I've stained my crate using this espresso by Minwax. And now I'm going to attach my base to the bottom of the crate. We're going to attach the base by placing it paint side down and secure it into place using your brad nailer. Let's see how it looks. Love it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below. Let us know what DIY project you want to see next.